Hey everybody, welcome to Bonafide Adventures, the truck DIY series. So, a little bit of an update. As usual, I can't really remember where we left off in the last video, but I have been making progress. We got the frames in. All done. That feels pretty darn good to have the frames done. I still have to do fillets in places. Mix up a bag of goo. We have a wall over there put in, which looks freaking awesome. Makes the window look even better. Oh, let me get up. I've done wiring. This is the Wii Boost. I've decided to put it in this cupboard over here in this corner. So I ran some power leads, and this is the antenna. The cupboard, if you can see here, is that. And you can see here to that. So it's 12 by 12. I've laid the groundwork for wiring, but I can't wire these. This is the backup camera, dash backup camera, the Wolf box, and these marker lights all go down and out the truck down there by that pipe down there. But I can't run that till I get the foam insulation put on, and I can't do that until until the fillets are done. I've also just installed today the handle here. I haven't painted it black yet. It will get finished in a better color than what it is. This is off my other camper, but I needed to know where to put oh, look at that, nice blender. Where to put a backing block. Glue it in. Down there, see, I'll have to remove some of the fillets to put the block in for the screws to screw to, because, well, you know, that's the handle to get up and down off the camper, which I like very much. We got wires running. This particular wire will go down and come out. This is the porta potty, the toilet area, and footstool, so it'll have a lid. But inside here, which I am, really don't have the space for. Maybe I'll have to pop it right here. I got one of those, like the fan that's running the heater right here, one of them computer fan things. And that'll always be removing stale air. And I'll have my cleaning supplies in this cabinet too. So that'll be the vent out to keep the camper with fresh air. So, she is now officially 100% glued down and installed. I've installed this side. I've cut that perfect. There's the cover board for it. Like that cover board there. Hasn't been glued yet. And we got the wires going here. We got the fan wires all in. These are the two lights. I'm only going to have this whole camper just two lights. I'm not really a light person. I know everybody does the LED mood lights that change like a disco. That's not really my thing. One, it takes battery life. And two, they usually end up breaking rather quickly. So I'm not going to put something in that'll just break. You know, you lose one bulb out of a whole string and it looks like crap. So I don't need it. Don't want it. Solar panel wires and the fan and light wires. They run down. They'll be coming out here. I have an access hole here. That's the water import and the shore power. Still don't really know what to call it with a camper. I know shore power is a marine thing, but all that electrical stuff is going to be back here on this wall back here. So this is all under the kitchen cabinet. This is under the closet. I still do have to run the battery chargers out to the truck before I could put this inner panel in here. And I can't put the inner panel on until the floor is done. That's where I'm at right now. And I can't do this until that's done, and that can't be done until this is done. It's a pain in the butt. I think today this ceiling is 6 feet across, so I had to do the 7-foot span in 2 pieces. So I got a 4-foot piece here and a 3-foot piece here. And there's a I forgot the word for it already. Chamfer. The 2 pieces together, I sanded it like I did the outside. Tapered it. One's tapered this way, one's tapered that way, so it'll be glued and hopefully go away and disappear. But I only have these 2 bars, so I did this wall last night. And it's either I do this. If I do this, I can still access in here and do other things. So I think I'll do this and that another day. But anyhow, that's the stupid stuff. Oh, there's the bosses out there. Those are my bosses. Anyhow, I did the front. I don't know how much guys have seen the front, but it's slowly coming together. They're digging out because we'll be back to work here in a couple of weeks. So we're kind of, all this snow is still sitting on the plants we need to deliver. Alright, a little quick update so I can finish this video out. I don't know where I left off, like usual. But the ceiling's all done. I still have to finish the seam here. Got that piece in. Got a lot of this already filled in nicely. Looks gorgeous. It's going to be so awesome when it's done. Pieces over here ready to be glued. Can't really glue because we got the blizzard of 2026 going to happen here. So I was just going to cut some wood and call it a day. So I could say I had made some progress. Put in the foam. I've already cut most of it back. Yeah. So a little bit of progress. Hopefully it will survive this storm. Yeah, I guess, I guess before I say goodbye, I just would like to say I have 4 sheets of plywood left to cut, and that's it. The final count is 35 sheets of plywood. It's actually 3.5 sheets, technically, because I gotta cut 2 sheets, but there's gonna be a lot of waste, but whatever. 2 sheets for the cabinets in here, 1 sheet for the floor, and 1 sheet for this bottom of the bulkhead. I mean, that's 6 feet long by, I don't know how much. I got to measure it up. But got to take that out of a sheet. And the floor is 3 feet wide, so they can't share a sheet. That's probably TMI, huh? Too much information. This side is glued in, also, I should say. That's final. This side hasn't quite, it was going to be today, but too cold, and I have to turn the truck around because this is a northeast, and I don't want snow to come in this gap. I should probably say that that's northeast. North, west, south. So, yeah, I know heat. Extension cord doesn't reach this far. They're out there pushing back snow piles and getting prepared for the storm, which is just now starting. I think I'll come out tomorrow morning and get my thumbnail for the video in the height of the storm. Be a little bit of a clickbait, maybe. Boost my views. So anyhow, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next update. Hopefully wrapping this all up, getting started on the cabinets later. Alright, here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus. Oh my god. All this for a thumbnail. Come on, we can do it. We can do it. Oh, this is going to take me forever to dig out. Oh. What do you think? I hope that does it. Hard to smile. All right.